Yeah, hi guys, welcome to the Traveling Hobbit. We are in Reykjavik,
Yay!
in Iceland.
It's cold!
It's cold. We're just wandering around their city at the moment, and then yeah, seeing what they have here. There's a lot of vintage, which we like, and lots of boutiques. So yeah,
Yeah, lots of things made of wool and like trolls and stuff. So it's
yeah,
cool.
yeah. So yeah, keep in touch, guys. Okay, we're going from one place to the next. I'll see you later. We're still having a look outside
Yep.
and window shopping. It's pretty cool over here, isn't it?
Yeah, they've got some lovely things.
Yeah.
Very expensive.
Expensive though, very expensive. So I'm looking for a bow tie earlier on. It's about
£15.
yeah, it's about £15 for a bow tie, and it's kind of like it's not real as well. So oh well, never mind. But the town is really nice.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
It's very chilly. It's 0 degrees at the moment, and yeah, it's only 4:30 in the afternoon. And look at that, it's dim already. It's very dark already over here. So yeah, they don't have they have a limited light exposure over here at the moment. So anyway, we're still continuing to have a look around, see what's going on, and yeah, let's check it out, guys.
It's like Blair Witch.
What can you see me
Basically
then?
see that.
Hi guys, so we're here now in the middle of nowhere, and yeah, we're just going to wait for the northern lights to come up, hopefully.